Hello everyone, welcome back with me. I am Rifki Danu Pratama Putra with the name 24060300126 from the Faculty of Sport Science, majoring in Sport Science. And in this video, I would like to guide you through the essential components that constitute an effective speech or public presentation. First of all, we start with introduction. Public speaking is an art form that dates back to ancient civilization where rhetoric was considered a crucial skill for leaders and citizens alike. In our modern context, whether we are presenting research findings, delivering a motivational talk to athletes, or explaining sport technique to students, understanding the structure of speech is fundamental to effective communication. And the component of successful speech, we start with the opening or exordium. The opening serves as your first impression and should immediately capture your audience's attention. These sections typically includes a formal greetings, an expression of gratitude, and attention-grabbing elements such as a startling statistic about sports or anything in the public speaking, and for a clear statement of your speech purpose. And the two, following the opening, the introduction should provide necessary background information on your topic and to establish relevance to your audience interest or needs. 3. Presents your thesis, statement, or main argument. 4. With preview the main point you'll be discussing. For an example, we discussing sport performance enhancement. You might introduce the relationship between psychological factors, nutritional science, and training methodology. And the third, that's our main content. The body of your speech contains your substantive material organized in a logical progression, and this is include a 5 point. First, that's clear main points with the supporting evidence. 2. Scientific data, research findings or case studies. 3. Practical examples or demonstration relevant. 4. Addressing potential counter-argument or alternative perspective. 5. Transitional phrase that guide to audience from the one point to the next. The strength of your content lies in how effectively you balance theoretical knowledge with practical application in the field of sports science. And the fourth, that's a confirmation. In this section, you reinforce your key arguments by reserving important points with additional emphasis, synthesizing how your various points interconnect. 3. Strengthening your position through cumulative evidence. For instance, after discussing various training or methodologies, we might confirm how we collectively contribute to injury prevention while maximizing athletic performance. That for an example. And the 5, that's a conclusion, a powerful conclusion. That's 5 points too. First, summarize your mains concisely. 2. Reinforce your thesis statement. 3. Provides a call to action or practical implication. 4. Offense forward-looking statement about advancement in sports science. 5. Express appreciation to the audience. And the supporting elements that beyond the structural component, effective speech also incorporate strategic pause to emphasize key point. 2. Vocal variety to main engagement. 3. Appropriate body language that reference your message. 4. Visual aids when demonstrating complex biomechanical principles. And the 5. Rhetorical devices and metaphors comparing that what about the one speaking talking. And the conclusion, mastering these speech components allow us there may be that components allow us as a sports science professional to effectively communicate our knowledge, whether we're addressing athletes, coaches, medical professionals, or the general public. By structuring our presentation thoughtfully, we can ensure that our scientific insights are accessible, memorable, and impactful. And thank you for attention. I am Rifki Putra. See you in the next video.